shame. With you pulling me closer, pulling me into all your ways. Now round every corner and up every mountain, I'm not looking for crumbs or the waterfall fountains, desperately seeking for antic believing the sight of your face is more